In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update MetaMask on Firefox. To begin, open Firefox. This is your gateway to accessing the MetaMask extension and ensuring it is up to date. As you launch the browser, you'll notice the familiar interface. The Firefox logo is vibrant and your bookmarks or tabs are right where you expect them. This step is crucial because using an updated browser will help you maintain security and performance. Once Firefox is open, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Next, click on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. It's often located in the upper right corner of your browser window. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Add-ons and Themes. This action takes you to an area where you can manage all your extensions, including MetaMask. It is essential to navigate here because this is where you will find the tools to manage and update your extensions effectively. After selecting add-ons and themes, you will see a new page load with options for managing your add-ons. Now look for the extensions section on the left side of the page. Click on it to view all your installed extensions, including MetaMask. In this area, you can see the list of extensions you have added to Firefox. This is important because it helps you identify MetaMask and any other extensions you may want to manage. Once you are in the extensions section, you will notice the gear icon at the top of the list. This icon represents settings and configuration options for your extensions. Click on the gear icon to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Check for Updates. This action prompts Firefox to search for any available updates for your extensions, including MetaMask. This step is vital because keeping your extensions updated ensures you have the latest features and security enhancements. You may see a loading indicator while Firefox checks for updates, which is perfectly normal. Once the check is complete, any available updates for your extensions will be displayed. If a MetaMask update is available, you'll see an option to install it. Click on the Install button to begin the update process. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Keeping MetaMask updated is crucial for accessing the latest functionalities and security features. After the installation, Firefox may prompt you to restart the browser. This is a common requirement to ensure that the updates take effect properly. If prompted, go ahead and restart Firefox. Once Firefox restarts, your MetaMask extension will be updated and you can start using it right away. You can verify the update by clicking on MetaMask and checking for any new features or changes. This process ensures that you are using the most secure and efficient version of MetaMask available. Remember, staying updated helps protect your account and enhances your overall experience. With that, you have successfully updated MetaMask on Firefox. By following these steps, you ensure that your extension is always at its best, providing you with the latest tools and security features. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.